Welcome to Home Place Inn Medical Center, which is adjacent to Interstate 610 in Southwest Houston and a 1.9-mile drive from NRG Stadium. Stay in a bright, cheerful room at a clean, pleasant, and well-maintained selection of Home Place Inn medical centers. We feature thoughtful amenities that help make your experience here a good one. They include free coffee, free parking, free Wi-Fi, guest laundry facilities, and more. In your room here, expect a 40-inch flat-screen television, a fridge, microwave, hairdryer, iron, and bright walls and furnishings to help you feel good about being with us. Our dedicated staff is here to ensure your stay is not only comfortable but also supportive. Stay at our hotel and visit nearby historical attractions, such as the NRG Astros and NRG Stadium, Houston Zoo, Cockrell Butterfly Center, Waterwall Park, and M.T. Anderson Cancer Center. Visit homeplaceandmedicalcenterhotel.com now and get ready to experience nature, adrenaline, culture, and relaxation all in one incredible journey. Visit www.homeplaceandmedicalcenter.com.